एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं। ऐसी तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, ऐसे लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ। नो आई एम नॉट, आई एम जोकिंग। अब क्लैरिफाई करना पड़ता ना कि जोक कर रहे हैं, सीरियसली नहीं बोल रहे हैं। भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ। मैं
The gentleman I'm going to call on stage, it doesn't get bigger than him. It hasn't got, and he's the biggest part of my life, my career, and the biggest part of our cinema, the proudest part of our cinema. He is a legacy movie star, a bona fide legend, and not just an artist that has swept the world with emotion, action, drama, but he's also that man with a golden heart, and he matches the statue to every inch. Please welcome the bona fide king and the crown that should never leave, his persona, Shah Rukh Khan.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you very much, Karan, and thank you, Aifa, for having me here this evening. And thank you to all the friends and colleagues who are present here, all the partners, Shobha, Nexa, Mysore, Ease My Trip, Venky's, NZTV, of course. And Rana, good evening. Lovely to see you here. Abhishek, so wonderful to see you live after seeing your wonderful film. I've been wanting to call you. And Siddhant, तुम दोनों को कुछ सिखा दूं। नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपने पाँव पड़ती है, पुरानी वाली इज्जत भी देती है, तो ऐसे करती है। But I want to thank Sabbas and Viraf and Andre, my very, very, I don't know if I should say old friends, but young old friends. And I'm so privileged to be hosting this show with Vicky and Karan and all the other amazing talent, some of them not present here this evening. And of course, to see the great performances that will follow. This Shahid, Vicky is going to perform, Janvi, Kriti, and of course, the most wonderful and the star of them all, Rekha ji will also be there. So for me, it's a great evening, it's a great honor, great privilege. Thank you for having me on IIFA. Thank you so much, everyone.
Shah Rukh, it's like a ghar wapsi of sorts. You're back on the IIFA stage after nearly a decade, and they couldn't be happier and more excited about welcoming you back into the IIFA family, because every time you've been there, you've created a storm, literally, like you always have with your cinema. How does it feel to be back on the IIFA stage?
इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हो, बुलाया तो एक ही बार था पहले। शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है। एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं। ऐसी तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, ऐसे लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ पे। But it's really nice to be here. Thank you, Aifa, for having me. No, I'm not. I'm joking. अब क्लैरिफाई करना पड़ता ना कि जोक कर रहे हैं, सीरियसली नहीं बोल रहे हैं। I would have loved to always come, but unfortunately, for some reason or the other, I was working at the point of time when IIFA is being hosted all around the world, which makes us very, very proud. And more often than not, I've always had to beg myself off, saying, "Listen, मेरी shooting है, आप कहाँ पे? टोरंटो में हो, वैंकूवर में हो, मलेशिया में हो, यहाँ कर लो ना, यहाँ बोरीवली में कर लो, फिल्म सिटी में कर लो, जैसे बाकी लोग करते हैं यार." But the vision is big. IIFA has always thought of taking Indian cinema, and now with the inclusion of Malayalam and Kannada and Tamil, Telugu and Hindi cinema, I think, mashallah, this is even more Indian than it has ever been before. So, keeping up with your vision, I am thankful now, after so many years, trying to come back. I hope we can present well, keep people entertained, and keep it very short.
Yes, yes.
And crisp.
And know when to
and
leave.
fast, yeah. And please come for the rehearsals, Karan.
No. I've left that to you. I know this is a chat we should have in private, but please, can you take care of that?
Okay. So Karan has told me he's not going to rehearse for hosting. He'll do it on Zoom. भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ। मैं तो इतना होस्टिंग करता हूँ ना। अभी ये बोल रहे थे ना ये सिद्धांत की, मैं तो ये क्या है, मैं चैट शो भी होस्ट करता है, फिल्म शो भी होस्ट करता है, ये बोलता है पिक्चरें भी तो बना मेरे भाई, तो कितना होस्ट करेगा।
यही मैं वही सोच रहा था जो सिद्धांत बोल रहा था, तो I was like, this is sounding wrong on all levels for a filmmaker. कि I should be making more movies. That is exactly what I should be doing. But
इसलिए तो रिहर्सल जूम पे
आप संभाल लो, आप संभाल लो। मैं स्पॉन्सर्स के नेम ले लूंगा।
Thank you.
हाँ, please, I'll do that.
और हम कनन को बीच में नहीं आने देंगे, वो स्पॉन्सर्स को चुप करा देता है बिफोर दे फिनिश. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think we'll have to maybe look at that.